My name is Andrew and I am currently studying on the legal practice course. So I wake up at about 7:30. So the great thing about our campus being in a big city centre is that you don't have to walk very far for anything. I can literally go from my house to campus. It's about a 10-15 minute walk. I can get a coffee on the way. I've got, there is a canteen on campus that I can go to for lunch, but I've got like a whole city to choose from. If it's one of the 2 days a week that I'm in, I'll have a meet with some of my course mates and chat about what we watched on Netflix the night before. And then, we have 2 sessions with a little bit of a break in between. So that's around 4.5 hours. And then I will come home, I will have lunch, and then I will start reading for the next workshops. So in an afternoon, I might drop in on the employability team. They run sessions where they actually go over applications and interviews, give you tips and advice. You can contact them via email or on LinkedIn, and they'll actually review your applications. They reviewed mine, and that helped me get a training contract. So I probably wouldn't have been where I am now if I hadn't have had that support. And then sort of towards the early evening, then I'll move on to the prep tasks. For every workshop, we have reading and preparation tasks that we need to do. So based on the reading, we'll go away and do like draft a letter or prepare for an interview. And then for the first half of the workshop, we come in and basically discuss what we've done for that. So we'll compare our answers with each other. And then in the second half of the workshop, we kind of do new tasks that are related so that you can basically consolidate what you've learned. So the resources at University of Law are amazing. We do have a library on campus. The online resources are so good, and you also get paper resources as well. So because our exams are all open book exams, we have paper copies of everything that you can make notes and annotate on. And then we have online databases and not just law stuff. We've got subscriptions to like the Financial Times and business sources. I try to get it all done in one block so that it's still fresh in my mind. And that way, then when it comes to 5:30, 6 o'clock, I'm done for the day and I can just focus on having a glass of wine or going out for a meal or on a night out. The tutors at ULaw are fantastic because, they've all worked in the industry, so they have that professional insight which they share, which can be really useful from a careers perspective. But also they're just really friendly because they've done this before so many times. So I love the more practical side of things at ULaw because I have secured a training contract. I'm going to be a solicitor, and the way that things are here means that I'm actually working on tasks that I will be doing when I'm a trainee. So I feel like I'm getting a little bit of a head start there. So the work-life balance with the course is actually really good. There is quite a lot of reading and preparation to do, but it's easily manageable within kind of a Monday to Friday, 9 to 5 kind of aspect. I found it so okay that I've volunteered 2 days a week with Citizens Advice Bureau. And I also am a campus ambassador for the University of Law. I have plenty of time to do all of that, and I have a social life at the same time, so it's a thumbs up for me.